All right, so at this point you should have problems 1, 5, and 9 filled in. And I'm going to work you through some of the other ones, and then hopefully you'll start getting the hang of it. All right, so number 2 says that we have angle measurements of 35, 50, and we are solving for x. So I'm going to say 35 plus 50 plus x equals 180. All right, so 35 plus 50 is going to give me 85 plus x equals 180. And I'm going to subtract 85 from both sides. And 180 minus 85 is going to give me 95. So x is going to be 95 degrees. All right, number 3 says that I have angle measurements of 65, 60, and I am solving for x. So I'm going to say 65 plus 60 plus x equals 180. So 65 plus 60 is going to give me 125 plus x equals 180. I'm going to subtract 125 from both sides. And I'm going to be left with x equals 55. All right, pause the video, see if you can do number 4 on your own, and then press play to see if you get the correct answer. All right, for number 4, you should have gotten 30. So this one's a little bit different because this measurement here does not have a number on it. But you should know that the box in the corner symbolizes 90 degrees. So you would have said 60 plus 90 is 150, and 180 minus 150 would leave you with 30. All right, number 6, our 3 measurements are x, 3x, and 6x plus 10. So I'm going to add those 3 measurements, and I'm going to set it equal to 180. So x plus 3x is 4x, plus 6x would be 10x. So we have 10x plus 10 equals 180. Subtract your 10 from both sides. So we are left with 10x equals 170. And then when I divide by 10, 170 divided by 10 is going to give us x equals 17. All right, now I need to go ahead and plug in for my 3 angle measurements. So it says that angle A is x. So if it's just x, that means we replace the x with 17. So angle A is 17. Angle B is 3x. So I'm going to rewrite that as 3 times 17. And 3 times 17 is going to give us 51. So angle B is 51 degrees. And angle C is 6x plus 10. So I'm going to rewrite that as 6 times 17 plus 10. And 6 times 17 plus 10 is going to give us 112. All right, moving on to number 7. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. So if you need to pause the video and write all this down for number 6, go ahead and do that. But I'm going to erase it because the problems are taking up a lot of room. All right, number 7, my 3 angle measurements are x, 2x plus 30, and 2x plus 25. All right, I'm going to combine my like terms. So x plus 2x is going to give me 3x, plus another 2x is going to give me 5x. 30 plus 25 is going to give me 55. So we are left with 5x plus 55 equals 180. I'm going to go ahead and subtract my 55. And 180 minus 55 is going to give us 125. Okay, I'm going to divide by 5. 125 divided by 5 is going to give us 25. So x equals 25. All right, now we need to plug in for our 3 angle measurements. So angle A says that it has a measurement of 2x plus 30. All right, so I'm going to replace the x with the 25. So I have 2 times 25 plus 30. So 2 times 25 is going to give us 50. And 50 plus 30 is going to give us 80. So angle A is 80. Angle B has a measurement of 2x plus 25. So I'm going to write that as 2 times 25 plus 25. So 2 times 25 is 50 plus 25 is 75. So angle B is 75. And angle C just says x, and we know that x is equal to 25. All right, go ahead and try number 8 on your own. So pause the video, try the problem, and then when you're done, press play to see if you got the correct answer. All right, check number 8. Make sure that you have the correct answer, and then move on to the last set of problems. All right, number 10, our 3 measurements are x plus 40, 2x plus 20, and 2x minus 20. So that equal to 180. All right, when we combine like terms, we get 5x plus 40 equals 180. I'm going to subtract 40 on both sides. 5x equals 140. That means that x is equal to 28. All right, let's plug in for our 3 measurements. So angle A says x plus 40. So I'm going to replace my x with 28. So 28 plus 40, which is going to give me 68. Angle B says 2x plus 20. So we have 2 times 28 plus 20. 2 times 28 is 56, plus 20 would be 76. And lastly, angle C says 2x minus 20. So I'm going to say 2 times 28 minus 20. So 2 times 28 is 56. 56 minus 20 is going to give us 36. All right, go ahead and pause the video. I want you to try 11 and 12 on your own, and then press play to see if you get the correct answers. Did you get the correct answers? If not, go back in your work and try to figure out what you did wrong, or come see me and I can answer any additional questions for you.